Hello, Monson. Welcome to What's New at your Monson Free Library. I can't believe it. We're already doing our June edition. And do you remember what that means? It means summer reading is about to start. So I'll let Miss Sandy go on about all the details for all the kids. We've got a great lineup this summer. The theme is a universe of stories. So stay tuned. We'll have a lot for the adults and, of course, a summer full of fun for the kids. That will be starting on the last day of school. I want to tell you about a program that we have, and maybe you've already seen it on M-PACT, the Chestnut Tree Project. We are partnering with the Monson Tree Committee, Parks and Rec, Jesse Green, and they are planting trees up on Flint Park, little saplings, little seedlings of chestnut trees for a project. Monson is a hotbed of chestnut tree activity after the tornado. Flint Park is the spot. They are doing a couple of different hikes and plantings, and then we are doing a kind of a community read type of thing. So of course that's where we come in. But on Sunday, June 2nd at Flint Park at 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. they are doing guided hikes to the top of Mount Ella. There they will be planting 100 seedlings of chestnut trees, hopefully blight resistant. This is an experiment. It's very exciting for the community. If you'd like to come, please, 1 and 3 o'clock, the guided hikes. Bring some gloves if you'd like to do the planting and learn more about the chestnut trees. If you do this, it will lead into this community read, which will be starting. We'll be talking about the books in July. One is Champion, the Comeback of the American Chestnut Tree, and that is good for middle school, teenagers, and adults as well. And then The American Chestnut, the Life, Death, and Rebirth of a Perfect Tree. So we will be reading those books through the month of June and having a couple book discussions in July, and this is a great way to learn about what's going on in the community and chestnut trees. So stay tuned for all of that, but Sunday, June 2nd is the planting, and we hope you join us. On Thursday, June 13th, we have our Thrive to Go program. If you remember, that is in partnership with the United Way. It is a financial wellness coaching program. So if you need some help setting some goals, whether you want to buy a new car or a house or learn how to save your money, fix your credit score, the United Way is for you. You need to contact them. All the information is on our website under calendar of events, emails, phone numbers. You need to make an appointment. But Walter from the United Way will be here on Thursday, June 13th from 10 to 2. Please take advantage. This is a great program. Whatever you need, they will help you work through your finances. Of course, we have our monthly Scrabble night. That is Tuesday, June 25th at 6 p.m. Always a good time. I know I'm getting into it myself. I really like to play Scrabble all of a sudden, but it's a lot of fun, a great group of people. And then one thing, I'm not sure if I mentioned it last time, but we do have a new museum pass to the Children's Museum at Holyoke. You asked for it, and so we got it for you. We're very excited to have this pass. If you know, we do have 21 or 22 museum passes right now. We're really excited. We have a really great roster. They're not only museum passes, they're attraction passes. Mass State Parks is a good one for the summer, but we do have 21 or 22 of them for you to check out. So please, that's a great way to spend your summer. And that's all I have, because I know Miss Sandy has a lot more to talk about for June. So we hope to see you at the Monson Free Library and sign up for summer reading.
Hi, I'm Sandy Courtney. I'm the Youth Services Librarian at the Monson Free Library, and it is time to talk about summer reading at the library. The theme this year is a universe of stories, and we are going to have a world full of fun. Our kickoff party this year, the last couple of years we've done a party down at Veterans Field, but this year we've got this brand new patio, so we're actually doing our kickoff party on June 14th, which is a Friday, from 11:30 to 1:30 with a party on the patio, and there will be great fun for kids of all ages, and kids can sign up for summer reading then. Now, if you don't make it to the party on the 14th, you can sign up at any point during the summer. Anytime you drop in, and we will get you all signed up. So summer reading this year is going to be similar to in the years past. We're breaking the kids into 3 age groups. The littlest library fans from birth through age 3 will have an early literacy challenge, and all of my little friends who finish that challenge and turn in their papers by the end will receive their choice of a book. My kiddos ages 4 through 11, we are doing something special for my friends who finished their reading challenge this year. We're actually throwing a party for them at Silver Bell Farm. More about that in a little bit. And my teens who complete their teen summer reading challenge are going to be entered into a drawing for all kinds of fun raffle prizes. So sign up beginning June 14th at that kickoff party, and then let's talk about all the fun programs we have. We've got stuff going on for all ages this summer. It's going to be a great time. We are kicking off our very first program of the summer is on Tuesday, June 18th, and it's for the teens. We're doing a teen escape room. Huge fun. Danny and Rebecca have been working on this, and they've got a good challenge ahead for you guys. Registration's required. That's going to be Tuesday evening, June 18th, and that is only for kids in grade 7 and up, please. Our very first story time on the go will be then on Wednesday, June 19th. If you haven't joined us for Storytime on the Go, I should probably explain that. During the school year, we have Storytime every Wednesday morning for preschoolers, and it happens at the library at 10:30. But during the summer, we like to take it on the road. So we go out in the community and visit various folks, and our first host this year is going to be Monson's Police Department, and our very own Chief Steve is going to be reading us stories once again. I think he really looks forward to this every year. He kind of has a good time with it. And if all my little friends behave, then we will most likely get to take a tour of the police station too. Registration is not required for Storytime on the Go, and we'll be going to various places all through town. So when you sign up, you'll get a whole list of all these activities and programs, so don't feel like you have to try to write everything down while I'm talking. You can also check our website at monsonlibrary.com and see the full slate of fun happening under the calendar of events. All right? But let's talk about what else is happening on Wednesday. After we get done with Storytime in the afternoon, Ava's coming back, and she's going to be making a very special Galaxy Slime. University of Stories, get it? Galaxy Slime. Galaxy Slime with kids in grades 3 and up. So if you have a rising 3rd grader, a kiddo who's going into 3rd grade or above, they can sign up to make some Galaxy Slime. Registration is required for that. And again, you can register at monsonlibrary.com under calendar of events, or you can call the library at 267-3866. So that is on Wednesday, June 19th. Oh my gosh, Thursday. I am so excited about this. Have you seen these? We've got these great guys. Sorry about that. There we go. We've got these little guys at the library now that you can borrow, these dash and dot robots. Say hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Hello. So they're a lot of fun. You can program them to do all kinds of cool stuff. They have little challenge cards that come with them when you check them out. And you can borrow these from the library for up to a week. Check them out sometime. But if you're thinking, I don't even know how they work, trust me, the kids will. But if they want to get a taste of them, on June 20th, we have Lewis coming from Frankenstein, and he's actually running a Dash robotics class for us. So this is going to be for kids rising 3rd to 6th graders. So if your kiddo is going into 3rd to 6th grade, then this is the program for them. Space is limited. They are going to want to sign up early, but I even heard there's going to be some kind of like volleyball game or something using the robots. That's what they tell me. So we'll keep you posted on that. Hope you can make it. And even if you can't make it for that, look for these in the children's room. The actual robots are behind the desk, but there's a little card that you can bring up to the front desk to check them out. And check them out. So, and then of course on Friday, we will have baby time. Bounce Around Baby Time does happen in the summer too, because babies, like to spend time out of the house in the summer, and everybody needs a little air-conditioned space with some other adults. So come on down Friday mornings at 10:30. We will be doing Bounce and Rhyme Baby Time all through the summer. I know we missed part of May. Miss Sandy, I've missed you guys and missed the beginning of June, but we are back on track, and Friday mornings at 10:30 for the littlest library fans up to age 2. Siblings are welcome as long as they can play well with the babies, and we will be shaking our shakers and waving our scarves and singing lots of fun summery songs this summer. So we hope you can join us for a baby time. The only time we won't be doing babies in July is that Friday after the 4th of July, because y'all will be on vacation anyhow. So what else is up? The second week, oh my gosh, there's so many good things. The second week, we are actually doing the story time. We're doing a special story time at the library. We're doing story time under the stars on our patio. So we're actually going to do our story time in the evening at 6:30. We're going to have a little pretend campfire, and we're going to read some campfire stories and have a special snack all under the stars. Of course, it won't really be dark yet because it's one of the longest days of the year, but that's okay. We can pretend that we're out camping, out on the patio. So we hope you can join us for that special story time. That's on the 26th. And then on Thursday, the 27th, oh, this is going to be big fun. This is it's kind of like an Adulting 101. We're going to do a Get Cooking class for kids in grade 6th grade and up. And we're actually going to put together an entire meal from beginning to end. We're going to kind of make accommodations for allergies, and talk about meal planning and put things together. And we're actually going to do a hands-on meal, and I'm going to feed your kids dinner. So you're going to like this. You do need to register for this one because I need to make sure I have enough materials, but we're going to be making our very own quesadillas. We're going to make a chopped salad, and then we're going to make some fruit parfaits for dessert. So a full healthy meal, and I'll help teach your kids how to cook. So you should send them on down. That's Thursday, June 27th, and that's at 4 p.m., which means it'll be ready around dinner time. But I'm not sending them home with dinner for you too. I'm sorry about that. But I am going to teach them how to actually make a meal that's something you'd be happy to have them make on their own. So let's see how that goes on Thursday, June 27th. And of course, Friday is babies. So let's see, that takes us all the way up. We aren't doing story time or babies the week of 4th of July because we know that it's just a busy time and people are all busy with families. But the next week, we will be back on Tuesday, July 9th. We're going to be out on the patio again. I'm so excited about this new patio, can you tell? We're going to do a creative littles class. We're going to do kind of a messy art type program for my little friends up to age 5 out on the patio. So that'll be some good messy fun, dress appropriately on Tuesday, July 9th in the morning at 10:30. And then on Thursday, we have the Springfield Museum is coming and bringing their Star Lab, this big, huge inflatable Star Lab that you actually get to walk into. They're going to set it up in the DeSantis room for us, and we'll be running 2 programs that evening for kids to come in and actually check out the universe around them. So you will need to register for that as well too. So the classes will be one at 6 and one at 7 in the evening on Thursday, July 11th. So we look forward to exploring the stars with you all then. So take a breath. There's a lot going on. The full list of story times on the go will be on the sheet when the kids sign up. And during the summer, we encourage families to come. Story time during the school year really is just for the preschoolers and so on. But during the school year, of course, everybody's in school. So we definitely know, and we love to see some of our early elementary friends that we don't get to see as much. And a lot of these story times on the go are totally appropriate for early elementary age kids as well. Like the one we're doing on July 17th, we're going to be out at Norcross Wildlife Sanctuary. We haven't visited them in a while, and we're looking forward to going back. We'll be reading stories, and then we're going to take a nature walk together and get to explore the outdoors. We would encourage everyone to remember to dress appropriately for a walk, which means sunscreen and protection against bugs and ticks. So long pants are best. I know it's hard in the summer to convince your little to put on long pants, but if you can't do long pants, then plan on bug spray, because we definitely don't, and then a tick check. That's what we do, right? But it's such a beautiful place to take a walk, and we really hope that you can join us. That's July 17th. And you don't need to register for Storytime on the Go. We've had groups up to 60 people, and it's absolutely a lot of fun. So we hope you can join us. Thursday, July 18th, back to my teens, we are doing a bad movie night. Not pizza, just snacks, and the teens will be voting on which movie to watch. So that is on Thursday, July 18th. No registration required for that, because I'm not going to feed everybody. I'm just going to put out a lot of snack food, which I'm sure you guys will be all right with. But if you want to vote on which bad movie or good movie you want to watch, I'm going to have some options available up in the kids room, or excuse me, in the teen space, and you can go ahead and put your vote in the next couple of weeks here. And then, oh, we're coming towards the end of the summer, but there's still so much going on. Again, for my teens, I'm really doing a lot for you guys this summer. I hope to see you. I've got an extreme cake decorating class going on Tuesday, July 23rd. Danielle from Twilight Treats is going to teach you some techniques of the trade. I don't know if you've ever checked out some of Twilight Treats stuff online. You can find them on Facebook, or you can look her up. But she makes some amazing stuff, and she's going to show you how it's done. So that is on Tuesday, July 23rd. Registration is required. Grades 7 and up only, please. And you do want to sign up early, because there is limited space for that. But you will be going home with your own multi-tiered miniature amazing cake. So that's on the 23rd. Let's see. Our last Storytime on the Go will be on Wednesday, July 31st, and that is the day that all of your summer reading forms need to be turned in. So your challenge needs to be completed and brought in by the last day of July. Now, my kiddos who finished ages 4 through 11, like I said, on August 1st, that's when that party at Silver Bell Farm is happening. So we're going to meet at Silver Bell Farm at 10:30 on Thursday morning on August 1st, and we hope you can join us. There will be snacks and fun and a wagon ride, and it will all be free, of course, to celebrate my amazing readers and their work this summer. Also, the first 75 kids who finish will also receive a super reader sign for their yard. So that will be big fun too. You want to make sure that you get those forms all in, though, by July 31st. And then it all gets wrapped up on Friday, August 2nd, with our grand finale, which is happening at Memorial Hall again this year. And this year we are changing it up, and we are so excited to bring back Mike Bent, the magician. He is amazing. He came a few years ago, and the feedback was, it was the best magic show I have ever seen. He is just something else. He's actually performed at the White House. Like, this guy is, look him up online. He's amazing. So he's doing our grand finale for us at Memorial Hall at 10:30 on August 2nd. And that is also the day we will be drawing our teen raffle. So that is the summer reading plan. We really hope that we get to see most of you most of the summer. And of course, the children's room is air conditioned, and it's a lovely place to meet friends for a play date if it's a rainy morning or a stormy afternoon, or you just need to get out of the house and you're looking for some air conditioned space. Come on down to the library, and we will help you keep those kids entertained this summer. We hope you have a fabulous summer. Stay safe, have fun, and we hope to see you soon.